Alright, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be cutting out the coring and replacing it with some Coosa. Gonna try and not cut through the bottom piece of glass because I want to have the bottom piece of glass like here to be able to lay down some thickened epoxy and glue the new coring on it. So let's get to cutting. We got our pre-cut 1708. What I'm going to end up doing is putting this down on here, rolling out some epoxy, getting it wet, flipping it over, and then laminating one sheet of 1708 on the existing tote before I lay down some thickened epoxy and glue the core into it. bunch of weight on the coring of the Coosa board. Got all the seams glued in. So I'm just gonna let this sit overnight and let it cure. Come back tomorrow, finish it up. Okay, we got our first part of the cap loosely installed with some C-clamps, and it's resting on that fiberglass edge here. We got a nice little, oh, those are my knees. We got a nice little lip here to build some glass on top of. So yeah, let's get a 5-to-1 ratio of epoxy and silica mixed up and get this thing glued in. Thick batch of epoxy. Get it glued in. Well guys, it's Thanksgiving Day and I am going to wrap up this video. We got the cap all glassed in with 3 layers of fiberglass and epoxy. There's a few little bit of fiberglass work that still needs to be done, but this thing is almost ready for its fairing stage. So yeah, what are you doing back here, girlfriend? Little Miss Cabello, what's up, baby girl? And my old little dog, old skinny dog. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, next video will be out, will probably be this one with the 20-foot Seacraft, getting this brand new gas tank put in. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. And with that being said, hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace. What are you doing? Bunch of happy dogs.